Launch X431 Pro Mini is a new vehicle trouble diagnostic device. Comes with a 6.8 inches ultra-high resolution IPS touchscreen. Based on Android 5.1 system, 3000 mAh battery and DBS card connector. It includes OBD1 cable. Can also support old cars before 2000, such as Toyota, Bentley, BMW, and so on. Full system car scanner with 2 years free update. Support Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connection, one-click update, and Wi-Fi printing. Is an auto full system diagnostic tool. It can read DTCs and data streams, such as engine, steering, airbag, air condition system, brake system, battery system, EPB system, TPMS system, chassis, ABS, transmission, and so on. Support ECU coding, active test, and remote diagnosis on a large amount of cars like Toyota, Benz, and so on. 11 special functions, including oil reset service, immobilizer matching, TPMS reset, electronic throttle position reset, battery maintenance, gear learning, DPF regeneration, steering angle calibration, ABS bleeding, electronic parking brake reset, and fuel injector coding. Supports all electronic controlling system of EFI vehicles that covers Maserati, Ferrari, Rolls-Royce, Bentley, Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Audi, etc. Up to 150 car brands, 10,000 car models, as well as EV, hybrid, and gas vehicles. With Pro Mini, you can do data stream recording and playback. Support 23 multi-language, such as English, Arabic, German, Russian, French, Portuguese, Spanish, Japanese, Korean, etc.
Hi everyone, here we will show how to regenerate and activate X431 Pro Mini. Open the application X431 Pro Mini, then click Login. We can register new account. Create a new ID with password, email, country info. Then activate the device with unique serial number and activation code. After registration, we can update the car software. Pro Mini supports more than 96 car brands from America, Europe, Asia, and China. It also supports other 11 special reset functions compared with other X431 devices.